In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use prompts in Lovable. This guide will empower you to harness the potential of AI for your projects, making your creative process smoother and more efficient. Whether you're tweaking an existing project or starting from scratch, understanding how to communicate with Lovable's AI can significantly enhance your work. First things first, let's begin by opening up Lovable. If you're diving into a new project, go ahead and create one. Otherwise, feel free to open an existing project that you'd like to work on. This foundational step is crucial, as it sets the stage for all the creative ideas you'll soon be generating with the help of AI. Now, with your project up and running, direct your attention to the AI prompt box. You'll find it prominently displayed in the interface. This is where the magic happens. The AI prompt box is the gateway to transforming your ideas into reality. Here, you'll type in your prompts, which are essentially instructions for what you want the AI to create or modify within your project. Crafting an effective prompt is akin to giving clear directions. In the prompt box, you'll want to specify exactly what you envision. Say you're working on an application or a web page. Be sure to mention this. Clarity is key. Describe the layout you imagine, along with any specific features you'd like included. If you have certain colors, fonts, or branding elements in mind, don't hesitate to include them in your description. A well-crafted prompt leads to results that are aligned with your vision. Once you've detailed your prompt, either press enter or click on the generate button. The AI will process your input and deliver the output directly into your project. Watching your ideas take shape as the AI breathes life into them is always an exciting moment. Here are a few tips to ensure your prompts are as effective as possible. Be specific in your requests. This helps the AI to understand exactly what you're looking for and can produce more suitable results. When it comes to describing your project, mention the type of app or page. This context guides the AI to tailor its output. Additionally, when considering the layout and features, provide a clear and detailed image of what you want. If branding details like colors or fonts are important for consistency, make sure they're part of your prompt. It's also a good strategy to ask for one change at a time. This approach simplifies the process of refinement, allowing you to review changes incrementally and make adjustments with greater ease. By tackling one feature at a time, you can ensure each aspect of your project meets your exact specifications before moving on to the next. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using prompts in Lovable. With thoughtful preparation and a clear vision, Lovable's AI is an incredible tool to amplify your creativity. So dive in, experiment with prompts, and let your imagination take the lead.